Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best LED bar light is probably one of the most versatile lighting solutions you can find. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home office, enhance your gaming setup, or simply add some ambient lighting to your living space, the LED bar light offers a sleek and modern design with powerful illumination. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of the LED bar light, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Nilight 12-inch 72W LED Light Bar. This LED light bar from Nilight offers a powerful combination of spot and flood beams. It provides excellent visibility, ensuring you can see far and wide on any adventure. With a spot beam for distance and a flood beam for area, this light bar provides an outstanding visual experience. It delivers a remarkable 5040 lumens, making it super bright. The die-cast aluminum alloy heat sinks ensure efficient heat dissipation, extending the lifespan of the light. This design allows it to perform better and last longer. The adjustable bracket allows for easy positioning, giving you the flexibility to aim the light exactly where you need it. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. This light bar is IP67 rated, offering excellent protection against water, dust, and shocks. It's built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for off-road use. The package includes the 72W LED light bar and all necessary mounting brackets. It's easy to install and ready to enhance your vehicle's lighting immediately. What we like. This light bar has a combo beam design, which provides both a focused spot beam and a wider flood beam. It also features excellent heat dissipation, ensuring a longer lifespan. If you are looking for a light that can handle various driving conditions and last for a long time, you should consider this one. What people say. This is very heavy-duty and very bright. I like it has adjustable mounting to make it fit from 2-inch mounting holes up to the length of the light fixture, which is about 18 inches. Much brighter than I expected. Number 4. Airand LED Shop Light Fixture. This LED shop light provides a bright 1800 lm output while only using 18W. It helps you save significantly on energy costs by replacing your old fluorescent lights. This will illuminate any dark space. The lights are linkable, allowing you to connect up to 18 units together. It also features a 180 degrees wide-angle beam, perfect for various spaces like garages and workshops. This design offers great flexibility. This shop light uses the latest LED technology and is waterproof with an IP66 rating. You can confidently use it in bathrooms or any damp areas. It's built to last and perform well. The light can be easily installed with plug-and-play or hardwired options. It comes with all the necessary mounting accessories and a user manual. You can quickly set it up on your wall or ceiling. This Airand LED light has an average lifespan of up to 30,000 hours and comes with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. It's a reliable lighting solution. What we like. This shop light is designed for easy installation with its plug-and-play feature. It also has a linkable design, allowing you to connect multiple lights together. If you need a bright and versatile lighting solution for your garage or workshop, it's a great choice. What people say. The light is very bright. The light is easy to install. The light is well made. Number 3. Zmoon 12-inch LED Light Bar. This light bar uses high-quality chips, delivering up to 60W of power. It provides a bright 6500K white light, reaching up to 8000 lumens. The spot beam helps you see far, while the flood beam lights up the sides. This LED light bar works with 930V systems. The brackets can be adjusted 360 degrees, making aiming easy. It's great for trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, ATVs, motorcycles, and boats. The light bar is only 0.98 inches thick. The all-aluminum housing has fins to help it cool down. This helps it last up to 50,000 hours and keeps the light stable. It fits in tight spots. It uses a 6063 aluminum housing with an anti-oxidation finish. The IP67 rating means it's waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant. This makes it perfect for tough conditions. The package includes the 12 LED light bar, 2 mounting bracket kits, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This light bar offers high brightness with its powerful LED chips. The 360 degrees adjustable bracket makes it easy to aim the light where you need it. If you are looking for a durable and adjustable light bar for your truck or SUV, you should consider this one. What people say. The light is very bright. The light is well made. Easy to install. Number 2. RGB under cabinet lights kit, smart app and remote. Traditional cabinet lights are often limited to white or warm white. We believe life should be more colorful. This product is designed to bring vibrancy to your home. With 16 million DIY colors, this light can meet all your lighting needs. Use the colors for ambient lighting and white for daily use. It's dimmable from 0% to 100%. You can control it with the included 40-key remote or the app. The remote offers basic controls, while the app gives you access to all 16 million colors and dynamic modes. The lights can change color with the music or the sound from the microphone. Create an immersive atmosphere in your kitchen, making it a home concert. These RGB under cabinet lights are perfect for your kitchen, counter, closet, desk, and more. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help within 24 hours. What we like. This under cabinet light offers a wide range of RGB colors and can be controlled via an app or remote. It also has a music sync feature, allowing the lights to change with the beat. If you want to add some color and fun to your kitchen, you should consider this one. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire room. The light is easy to install. The light has a sleek design. Number 1. SAN Young 7-inch Slim LED Light Bar. This slim 7-inch light bar is designed for easy installation. Its low-profile design allows it to fit in small spaces on your vehicle, such as the front grille or roof rack. The light bar comes with 2 types of brackets, long and short. The long brackets are angle adjustable, while the short ones are perfect for tight spaces like inside the front grille. This light bar is equipped with 20 convex LED beads, delivering a bright 6000K light beam up to 6000 lumens. It ensures excellent visibility in various conditions. Made with an aluminum housing and a PC lens, this light bar is built to last. It's also IP67 waterproof, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions, with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. This light bar is suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including ATVs, UTVs, RVs, and more. Use it as work lights or off-road driving fog lights. Take it anywhere. Please note that one 7-inch light bar may not be sufficient for off-road driving in challenging terrains. Consider additional lighting for optimal performance. What we like. This light bar has a slim design, making it easy to mount in tight spaces. It also comes with multiple brackets for flexible installation. If you need a compact and bright light for your ATV or UTV, you should consider it. What people say. Very bright light, much brighter than the USB-C bar light it replaced. Clamp system worked well and light seems like a very good choice for a headlight. It was easy to install and water resistant, which is a plus. Quality is excellent and it doesn't cost much. It's super bright and perfect fit for the front of our golf cart. I absolutely love this light. My 1996 Jeep has the worst backup lights you could imagine, so I've asked my husband to put this on the back of my Jeep so that I see where I'm backing up at night. It worked excellent. He mounted right above the hatch, centered, and tagged into the existing tail lights wires. Only comes on when I'm in reverse. Absolutely love it. Its size is so small that you really can't see the light unless you're just looking for it. And where it's placed, it doesn't interfere the hatch opening. This size light is so cool that I ordered 2 more just so that we have them on hand for any other projects. Super good deal, perfect size, and great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.